R&D Design and Drawing Office, a well-equipped research and development center and design office with a strength of 32 engineers and technicians, which is supporting for developing new concepts of agricultural farm products, and also extremely its supports to develop of necessary jigs and fixtures during proto-development with mass production to improve productivity with quality. Product Development Engineering, dedicatedly supported for focusing on new product development activities. Manufacturing Engineering. These engineers are doing that by designing new systems and processes for the introduction of new products or for the improvement of existing products. Manufacturing engineers have a high level of technical expertise, which they use to plan, design, set up, modify, optimize, and monitor the manufacturing process. R&D Prototype Development. With the outcomes of the design office, the components are manufactured in-house of the manufacturing unit. All the components are manufactured against the manufacturing drawing. The R&D prototyping area also has extensive facilities for machining operations such as lathe operations, drilling operation, grinding operation, cutting operation, welding operation. R&D area of reverse engineering and inspection. All the sample or production components are inspected with appropriate instruments or gauges against the design drawings, manufacturing drawings, by qualified engineers and pass the components for proto-sample machine. All the components meet with the drawing requirements. R&D store. All the developed components are stored in the specified location or bin. R&D assembly. The individual components are taken from the stores, and a dedicated area is allocated for the assembly of the product during the prototyping phase. The agricultural machine was fully assembled in the R&D assembly area only. R&D testing and validation area. After ensuring the machine was in fully assembled condition, it went to the testing and validation area. The two types of testing and validation are, within R&D, in-house validation. A dedicated area was allocated for testing and validation of the product inside the R&D area, having the facilities of the special testing rig setup made by the company based on the product to check the measurement of the product, to check the functionality of the product, to check the validation of the product, and finally to check the life of the product. Field test. The product was field tested after the laboratory validation was completed. Redlands has a dedicated area of 50,000 square feet to do the field test validation of our product within its premises. The 40 to 60 horsepower tractor is connected to the product by using the PTO shaft. The machine was run for a minimum of 20 hours before being tested and validated for functionality.